Good morning, guys. Greetings to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I welcome you all, and I will be folding my laundry. So before we fold, you would have been washed it. So it was on a Saturday. I'd washed it before, and I am folding it like the same day, because I don't have where I can put it, because this bin here is for a dirty laundry, so I need to be putting in the dirty laundry also. So me, after hanging out this thing in 30 minutes or so, they were also dry. They were dry, and I wanted to just fold them and put them away. Be neat in the house. So if you just join me, my name is Elizabeth. I do cleaning motivation videos, laundry videos, grocery hauls, some lifestyle, sometimes cooking. Yeah, you can find literally everything, not everything, but everything homemaking, towards homemaking. I stay in the rural areas, and we don't have electricity, we don't have running water. I buy water every month. So I store my water in a 2,500 liters of a tank and utilize them. But for drinking, I buy 20 liters. I have 2 times 10 liters of containers that I do buy water from. So for those who doesn't like folding, you can go and grab your basket of laundry that is clean and fold with me. So do enjoy this video and get motivated. Let's do this, guys. I do my laundry every weekend, but this time, the previous weekend, I hadn't done it because I had some errands to do. And immediately when I go out of my house, when I come back, I don't want to do anything. I was just tired and lazy to do some chores. Actually, even cleaning, I didn't do it thoroughly. I had just to wipe here and there where I see it's not welcoming. So if I go out of my house, guys, it's a mission. I don't do anything. So yeah, this laundry was for 2 weeks. You can see it's not a lot of clothes, but yeah, it's for 2 weeks, guys. I don't have clothes. I wear what I wear, and that's just that. And we're good to go. Usually when I fold my laundry, I prefer to stand up because I tried to sit down and it's not working for me. I feel like I'm not productive, and actually I'm not sitting down properly. So I prefer to stand up and finish. But trust me, when I sit down, my feet will be talking to me, like they will be quarreling. I'll be standing up for such a long time. So how do you prefer to be sitting, or I don't know how to say it, but how do you position yourself when you fold your laundry? Maybe I can grab one or two of your of how you do it, but trust me, when I sit down, it's not working for me. I always prefer to stand up. So let's enjoy the video and fold with me.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. words have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
If you're still here, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video if you can, because there are a lot of people who need this motivation. And guys, please share the video if you can on your community tab, on your social media, wherever you can share it. I love you so much, and let's continue folding.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 falling.
Thank you guys if you're still here until this time. I love you, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will be picking the clothes in the wardrobe. Bye.